take 2 A4 sheets and 2 matchboxes. Take one A4 sheet and fold it in proper way and open the paper and cut it. And the 2 papers, take one paper and take one pen and fold the paper with pen. After folding the paper, open the paper some and take Fevicol and paste the paper like this and fold the paper again. And take another part and remove the pen in this paper and fold like same to another paper. And repeat the same. Open the paper and paste Fevicol and close again. And remove the pen. We got now 2 in one A4 sheet and take another A4 sheet and fold it and open and tear again. And tag in the 2 papers, one paper and fold it. And remove that paper and open this paper off and paste with Fevicol. And do it same in another part. And remove the paper outside. Open the paper and paste with Fevicol. And fold the paper. And we got 2 that and 2 this, too big and too small. Take matchbox and take an Fevicol and keep like this in the papers and cut the 2 papers in same size. Cut that in 2 papers in the same size. and remove the paper outside. And take matchbox and Fevicol. Keep inside Fevicol gum. Take 2 big paper. Do it like this and paste the papers in the same size like this. And same to the another paper. Like this. It should be same in the size. We got like this. And keep the 2 papers into the big. Do it like this. Shake well in the papers. Take same size and paste it like this with Fevic gum. It should become like this. And take another matchbox with Fevicol, stick in that matchbox. Like this it should become. And take 2 rubbers and do it like this to this. And keep 2 papers in that front and do it like this. Like a gun, it was come. This is an matchbox gun. Please subscribe it.